Hey guys, this is EvewinLakra. So today I'll do a short review on the Borges Penne Rigate pasta. So if you want to know more about this product, stay tuned in the video. So guys, recently I purchased this amazing Borges Penne Rigate pasta from Amazon India at a wonderful offer. The maximum retail price which is written on the packet is rupees 195 Indian rupee. The product has been manufactured in the month of September 2019. This is a 500 grams pack of Borges pasta. I've already opened the pack and eaten around 250 to 250 grams around few days back, and it was really tasty, really. So guys, today also I'll be making the Borges Penne Rigate pasta. I have set aside broccoli, tomatoes, onions, carrot, chilies, garlic, and I also have cabbage over here. So guys, this Borges Penne Rigate pasta is definitely a recommended product. I'll provide the link in the description of the video so that you can also go directly to the Amazon India site and grab the offer before the stock ends. And happy eating.
We love Borges! Buon appetito!
Borges Penne Rigate. Yummy pastas. I love it. So guys, I'm preparing tomato puree, fresh tomato puree for my Borges pasta, Penne Rigate pasta. I've already parboiled few or blanched carrot, broccoli, lettuce. So guys, my Penne Rigate pasta is boiling. In the meantime, I'm chopping some fresh onions. Garlic, ginger, so guys, I've already boiled my Borges Penne Rigate pasta. I've blanched broccoli, carrot, and I'm all set to make my pasta. I have finely chopped garlic, ginger, and coriander. It's onions. I've also taken one parboiled potato. Aloo lelo aloo. And here's lettuce or cabbage. And I've also pureed fresh tomato over here. So now it's time to stir fry my veggies. my veggies are sizzling away. Time to add some sea salt.
Teaspoon of salt.
Now it's time to drain my Borges pasta. Time to add my fresh tomato puree. Looking really nice. So the magic ingredient is golki or pepper, black pepper, not Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig loves pepper.
So guys, my Borges pasta is almost ready to serve. I'm serving my tasty Borges pasta on my brand new stoneware plate. Navy blue color from the brand Home Center. Let's serve it. I'm gonna garnish it with some fresh coriander, some parboiled carrots, parboiled broccoli. I'll plate it with some parboiled broccoli. Tomato skin, parboiled carrots, and lettuce over here, and yeah. So guys, especially for my mom's birthday, I've cooked some yummy pastas, penne rigate pasta in Mexican style. Hope she likes it. Mommy, here's your gift.
Thank you, my son. I love it.
Pasta prepared by me. So taste it.
Very tasty.
Mamma mia. So mamma mia, my mommy loves it.
Thank you. I love it.
We love Borges. We love it.
The parrot loves pasta.
Even our parrot likes to eat Borges pasta.
Nom 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 nom. Wow, it's so delicious.
I'm gonna let you in, if only for the high. I'm gonna let